McDonald's.
But
guys.
you still got to rock.
You still have to rock, Nathaniel.
I'm trying.
It's got a one-track mind.
Okay,
Rock.
I can't do 3 things at a time.
I like to scream in the grocery store.
Yes, I do.
Random.
Okay. Well, my legs to get to read sometimes and I get hit.
That wasn't random. Actually, that was very
I
on
scream in
topic.
the grocery store because they're always out of mayonnaise. If they're out of mayonnaise, then I can't break open the jar and put it on my face and act like I have rabies. And then I try to sell the wild raised by wolves thing by howling in the raw meat aisle and galloping across to the place where they sell the giant stuffed pandas and take one in my teeth and tear them into bits smaller than a centipede.
How small is this?
Then I go to the sodas and drink Dr. Pepper while doing a tribal dance until I explode.
That was after me. That's what I put it when we started.
And then I eat cheese and scream.
That wasn't me.
And then I run out of the store,
Was it you?
out of the grocery store, screaming with my undies on my head.
That's kind of scary.
Then I run back in the store and scream because I was shanked by a BB monster. And the BB monster yelled squid launcher and launched me. That ate Austin with one bite and then drank some coffee to watch Mickey Austin. And it gave me bad indigestion. So I took 3 candy bars and took 2 Cokes and poured them on my head.
You didn't read the last sentence.
The end.
Thank you. What time is it?
Time for you to start rocking. Time for you to start rocking.
What time
Good job.
That was the hardest story ever.
That was better than the first one.
1 minute. Countdown.
High five for great stories.